Friends, session 33 elements of costing, employee cost, methods of wage payments, problems on time rate system and piece rate system. Learning objective to know about methods of wage payment, problems on time rate and piece rate. Outcome of the session. In this session, the learner will be able to know the methods of wage payments, problems on time rate and piece rate. Time rate or wage system. In this system, the workers paid on the basis of time spent on the work irrespective of the amount of work done. The basis of time may be hour, day, week or month. This method is used where quality of work is important, measurement of work is not convenient, production involves delay or interrupted due to uncontrollable factors. The work requires a high degree of skills. The work is not repetitive or the work requires efficiency can be measured by close supervision. Yes, problem number 1. The following particulars apply to a factory where W, X, Y and Z workers. Normal rate per hour rupees 5, W 60 hours, X 80 hours, Y 75 hours, Z 90 hours. Calculate earning per worker under time rate system. Time rate system formula: earnings is equal to time taken into time rate per hour. Hints: read the problem carefully. Statement showing earning per worker under time rate system. Name of the worker: W 60 hours into 5, earning per worker 300, 60 into 5 300, X 80 into 5 400, Y 75 into 5 375, Z 90 hours into rate per hour 5 450. Total earnings of per worker. So formula: earnings is equal to time taken into time rate per hour. Next, piece rate system. In this system, the worker are paid at a stipulated rate per piece or unit of output. In this system, rate is fixed per piece of work and the workers paid according to the number of pieces completed or the volume of work done by him irrespective of time taken. This method is applicable where quality of work is not important, work is of repetitive nature, job rate can be fixed satisfactorily, there is a sufficient demand for output to guarantee continuous work and the job is a standardized one. Problems number 1. Calculate earnings of workers under piece rate system. Piece rate rupees 20 per unit. The actual output of the workers is as follows: Ghana 22 units, Raga 20 units, Tala 15 units, Mela 25 units, Sangeeta 22 units, Nada 12 units. Statement showing earning per worker under piece rate system. Earnings is equal to number of units produced into rate per hour. Yes. Ghana number of units produced 22 into rate per hour 20 rupees. So earning per workers 440. Raga 20 into 20 400 earnings 400. Tala 15 into 20 300. Next Mela 25 into 20 500. Sangeeta 22 into 20 440. Nada 12 into 20 240. In this session, methods of wage payment problems on time rate and piece rate system is explained.